times we had sharing.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. You guys, some of you guys have been asking me how to make pork neck bone or beef neck bone fast, easy and simple. I'm going to show you how I make this one fast, easy and simple. So if you want to see how I cook up this thing, tasty and delicious, come on and let's go for a ride.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, in this container I have my neck bone. You could use beef neck bone, you could use pork neck bone, whatever you like. What I did with it, I went ahead and washed it nice and clean with lemon juice and vinegar. Make sure you wash it nice and clean. Let it sit in that vinegar water and that lemon water for a little bit. Throw it off and then your meat is ready to go. What I'm going to be adding to it, let's go over our vegetables. I have a carrot right there, and my carrot really big, so I cut it up in chunk sizes. You want to get some carrots, you can even add potatoes if you like, but I'm going carrot, nice and easy today. I'm going to add some scallion and thyme, a couple of cubes of garlic, one large onion slice, bell pepper, any color of your choice, it does not matter, and I have one large tomato cut in cubes as well. Now what I'm going to use to spice it up a big notch, you of course want to add salt and pepper and some Jamaican all-purpose season, of course. Maybe add my ginger to kick it up a boost a notch. Now guys, if you have tomato paste, ketchup or spaghetti sauce, you're going to need that to thicken up that gravy and to give it a little bit of flavor. Also, apple cider vinegar is a must. If you have any other vinegar, go ahead and use it, but for this particular recipe I want to give it that tangy taste, so I'm using apple cider vinegar. And to give it some color, I'm going to use my Jamaican ochreous browning. If you know how to brown your meat, your sauce, go ahead and do that. I'm going to put a link below to show you how to do that as well. But I'm going to go nice and easy, fast and simple. Come on and let's get started. Now we're moving on to the very first step to get this thing nice, tasty, delicious and on the table in no time. The first thing I'm going to do is add my seasoned salt. My black pepper and my salt goes in. Some fresh ginger, 3 cubes of garlic, bell pepper go in, tomatoes go in, onions go in, fresh thyme or dry thyme if you have it, 1 stalk of scallion, my carrots go in, and my apple cider vinegar. Now you want that thing to have color. You could use soy sauce if you like, but in this case, and this is my kitchen, I'm going to use browning for this. So I'm just going to go in and add my browning and give it the desired color that I so choose. Now with clean hands, you want to go in and you want to mix this in, and you're going to let this sit for at least an hour and let it soak up all that good spice that you just put on here. All right.
Those were the times we had sharing. Those were the times we had sharing.
I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.